Hi Fahmi, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. Albani, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Ivan, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Do you understand? If you come to my class, you will study about what? Okay. Anyone knows? No? Okay. Short functional text in creation. Okay. What is that? Yeah, what is that and how to learn about it? Okay. Do you want to study with me?
Yes.
Okay. What is that? Sinchan. Sinchan is short functional text in creation. I want you check about what is the Sinchan itself. Please listen and then look at the learning video after this.
Hello, Principal. Welcome to Anna's lesson. Belajar saluran bahasa alat video lesson and be fun. Nice people. Today we're going to study about short functional text.
Notice, yeah, notice it's like that. For example, parting on this side is at your own risk. Yeah, maybe stealing from the thief or something like that. A group of A here. Fahmi, Albani, Ivan, and Safwan. And then group of B, Bilal, Fikri, Hafid, and then Insan. Starting from now to make a group with your friends. Go. It's like this. For group of A, ya, membuat produk Sinchan dalam bentuk presentasi gambar or PPT. Okay. And then kelompok B or B group membuat produk Sinchan dalam bentuk membuat potongan-potongan gambar atau puzzle.
How to make Sinchan.
Yes.
And video.
Yeah.
And paper.
Yeah. Okay. The papers. Good question. The papers here. The function is please you practice. You practice and make a practical.
this is of form puzzle.
The presentations from group B, I think it's not bad. I think it's spectacular. We can study Shin-chan by puzzle. I think it's creative. Yeah. Thank you. Group B.
Okay.
So, hi everyone. We are from Group C. So, in this special moment, I'm gonna introduce ourselves at first.
What is it? Kesan, and how to learn the different process about Shin-chan itself.
So, I think to study Shin-chan is not only by presentations or maybe studying it from the internet or maybe puzzle from group. I think we can study the Shin-chan education by looking tutorial video like how to make. So,
And then our conclusion here for our discussion and for processing, for learning itself. How to understand more is not only for making about PowerPoint, puzzle, and then flow. Yeah, I think that's enough. Thank you.